This is a quick video to show you how to use the MLM Babysitter system. Basically, you need to market the program with some form of marketing. They can be things like traffic swarm or classified ads or websites, capture pages or leads, you buy them, newspapers, whatever. What I like to use is a program called Crowdfunding. And what it does is you're allowed to create a project and ask people to donate to your project. As example, my project indicates that I am going to take and give you a marketing system to take you into a training system to leave you trained and motivated, and then take donations from this system to help fund these trained, motivated people into business. That's the concept of the program. You need to check out the program for your own purposes. All of this is to point you to the MLM Babysitter website. The MLM Babysitter website is just a large sales letter coded to you that explains why people need to be trained and motivated. And every place they go, it just keeps trying to take them to another. Go to the training system. Why do you need to use training? What do we need it for? And it moves them all the way to the bottom of this. And if they have not made a decision, it asks them to press and rebrand this website as a book. Now, the book advantages are that it gives you additional training that you don't get elsewhere. That's within the book itself. And you scroll down and you can put your name, your email, and your ID for the training system inside of this book. And you brand that book. Once you brand it, it has all your coding, and you can download that book and send it out to people. You can provide it as a gift to people. You can open it up in a PDF browser. And once you open the book, it looks almost like the website with two exceptions. One of them is it has a directory in it with all the information, and includes the other trainings that I was discussing earlier that you don't get elsewhere if you've got the book. It links into the training site, but it also links to an individual's own personal program that can be anything. So in general, let's go through and get into the training side. Once you get to the training, this is a real electronic babysitter for you. You can tell when people check off the welcomes, they figure out how to use the back office. They go into a 90-day training program. From the 90-day training program, they start going through the lists. They can't proceed without finishing the ones before them. And it's just a great way to keep track of individuals, motivate them, teach them everything about the internet, marketing, everything from how to cut and paste to how to set up a web page or a fan page, let's say, on Facebook. Now, once you're learning all this, they need a social media communication program. And the best one that I found is with this touch program that allows you to work just like Facebook, but you can invite people into the program. You can see the members in the program. You can look at pictures that individuals have posted. You can find somebody and say, let's say, click on a profile photo of them and go to their website and find out that you're interested in them. You can add them to your friends list, and you can start communicating with these individuals as you go. You also have albums, which are basically the photos that people have created. You can create blogs within the system. You can create classified ads, and this is kind of cool. You can place an ad in here and you can put your own price on it and market things if you want. As you can see, I've got the MLM Babysitter marketed in here. You can open up forums and create your own forums and communicate with people on your ideas. You can create polls. You can create groups. You can create events. You can create videos. You can import your photos, music. You'll be able to design, build your music, upload it, and market it. There's just a whole bunch of features inside of this system, which is basically all connected to all of your social media. So instead of you having to be on Twitter and Facebook and YouTubes and Pinterest and all these, they all connect into an interface within this system. So as you're teaching the training, they're learning the skills and they're in this system. Well, eventually the individual in the training will notice down on the bottom that there will be advertising. You can put up to 3 links down here along with a video of your choosing, and they'll start to ask you, what are you marketing? And you say, basically, you're already involved with our social media system. All you need to do is step up a little bit and you can join our marketing program. And there's a website that contains their information on how to market the program, get into their entertainment, their international global entertainment system, and they're online. They've been using the system and don't even know that they're in it. Then eventually they may come back and say, you know what, I'm kind of involved in some of these other things, and you could market any kind of product or service down here. Now, to give you an example, I'm using a pain product that is quite effective, and I've developed an entire system just for the pain program. So when they're interested, I might send them off to a video. They watch that video on the pain a couple of minutes and say, I'm kind of interested. You then go to your website, which is a major coded system with books and ebooks and websites. There's like four books and 4 websites and 3 support websites, example flyers, information, all this stuff, and they're asking them to join this program with this pain relief product. And let's say the person says, you know what, I'm kind of interested in the product. Well, then you'll send him the product book. When he goes into the product book, it is exactly like the book that we talked about with the MLM Babysitter, with the exception that on the top of the page for each one of the books of this product book, it will link to his own personal business, which once again links back to the babysitter and the MLM Babysitter to get him in the circle. And if you take a look at the babysitter book, there's a link at the top of that book, and he's probably marketing, let's say, the pain product. Now, you could just as easy have a book for marketing the marketing program here. You could have a book for marketing any business or opportunity. And I have several series that have been already put together for various companies that are ready for use. The secret is the MLM Babysitter is the key to the whole system. It links you into that free training, which will then train them, motivate them, educate them, give them the skills, naturally move them into social media marketing, and then on into your primary program. And that's the way it works, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great day.